Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your institution's policies with NACUBO step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the NACUBO website. Locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Type in institutional policies and hit enter. Review the search results for relevant links. Click on the link that pertains to your institution's specific needs. Once on the relevant page, look for any guidelines or documents related to policies. Download or open any policy documents that are available. Read through the documents carefully to understand their contents. Take note of any specific requirements or recommendations. Check if there are sections dedicated to compliance or accreditation. If you need clarification, consider reaching out to NACUBO directly. Find their contact information, usually listed at the bottom of the page. Prepare specific questions or topics to discuss. Contact NACUBO via email or phone for assistance. Discuss your institution's current policies and compare them to NACUBO's guidelines. Ask about any potential updates or changes necessary for compliance. After your conversation, review the information received. Make notes on what changes may be needed for your institution. Develop a plan for updating your policies as necessary. Share this plan with your institution's governing body for approval. Once approved, implement the changes and notify staff. Ensure proper training is provided regarding any new policies. Schedule regular reviews of your institution's policies to stay updated. Finally, revisit the NACUBO website periodically for the latest information and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.